Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to learn adjectives. Okay, adjectives. So, what's in by adjectives? The adjective means a describing word. Okay, a word which describes a noun. The word which tells the quality of a noun. How a noun is, whether it is good or bad, whether it is beautiful or ugly, or else other qualities of a noun. Okay, the word which describes the quality of a noun is known as adjectives. So, adjectives. Adjectives are the words that describe a noun or a pronoun. So, what is meant by noun? Noun means naming word. Okay, name of a person, place, a thing, achievement, emotions. Okay, so for example, a Ram, Kashmir, dog, everything is a noun. So, what's meant by pronoun? Yes, a pronoun is a word which replaces a noun. That is, for boy we will use he, and for girls we will use she as a pronoun. So, adjectives are the words which describes the quality of a noun or a pronoun. Okay, good boy, intelligent boy, and a faithful dog. Likewise, okay. So, adjectives are words that describes a noun or a pronoun. Adjectives answer such questions as what kind, which one, how many, that is quantity. Okay, so mostly adjectives will tell us the quality and also quantity. Quantity means what kind, how many, how much, likewise. Okay, so adjectives can be used to describe first one color. Okay, color, this blue, red, green, black, likewise. Next is age, old, young. Then shape, round, triangle, rectangular. Then opinion, good, pretty, right, happy. Size, example big, small, long, short. Distance, example long, short, near, far. Then temperature, cold, warm, hot, cool. Then time, late, early. Okay, so adjectives can be used to describe, mostly adjectives will describe these things. Maybe color or age or a shape, opinion, size, distance, temperature, time. This color means blue color, red color, green color, likewise. Age, old, young. Then shape, a round shape, triangular shape, cuboid shape, likewise. Then opinion, it's good, pretty, right, happy, likewise. Then size means it's big, small, long, short. Distance means far, near. Then temperature, cold, warm, hot, cool, likewise. Then time, late and early. So first we saw adjectives. Adjectives means adjectives are the words that describe a noun or a pronoun. Next, adjectives may be used to describe the quantity, that is how much, how many, what kind, likewise. Then mostly adjectives will express a colors, a distance, then size, shapes, opinions, size, shape, opinions, then time, temperature, age, likewise. Okay, the next we are going to see two kinds of adjectives, basic two kinds of adjectives. Okay, the first one is factual adjectives, and next one is opinion adjectives. Okay, so from the name itself you can easily find what is my factual, what is my fact. This fact is already fixed one. Okay, it's already a fixed one, it can't be changed. So fact means already proven one. Then what is my opinion? As opinion differs from person to person. If I had an opinion means you had another own opinion, right? So likewise, opinion differs from person to person. Facts won't change from person to person. So factual adjectives means they tell us facts about noun such as its color, shape, size, origin, age or quantity. They remain the same irrespective of what the reader thinks. So factual adjective mostly tells about the facts, that is tells about the noun that is already fixed one, it's color. So so let's see, what's the color of this chalk? Chalk versus white in color, right? Can it tell it's a black in color? No, it's white in color, right? So it's a fixed one, it's fixed color. So we can't change the color of this chalk piece, this particular chalk piece. So this is a factual thing. So it mostly tells about its color, shape, size, origin, age or quantity. So it won't change from person to person. It will be remain same for everyone. So that is factual adjectives. Okay. So they tell us facts about the noun such as its color, shape, size, origin, age or quantity. They remain same irrespective of what the reader thinks. For example, black, blue, circle, oval, old, young. Okay, so black is a color, blue is a color, circle is a shape, oval is a shape, old, young is age. Okay, so for example, this is a multicolor bag. It has two straps. These are facts. Okay, the bag is multicolored one. It has two straps. So it's a fact. So next one is opinion adjectives. They tells us opinions about the noun. They describe what one thinks about something or someone. These may be different for different people. So opinion means opinion is differ from person to person. It changes from according to the wish of the person. Okay, if I like one subject in the sense, other one will like the next one. If I hate math means other will hate English, right? So opinions change from person to person. Facts won't change from person to person. Fact is an already fixed thing. Okay, fixed fact. Okay, so opinion tells about noun. The opinions about noun won't changes from person to person. They tell us opinions about the noun. They describe what one thinks about something or someone. These may be different for different people. For example, I think the bag is very bright and colorful. It is pretty. Okay, so it is completely my opinion. I think this bag is very bright and colorful and it is look pretty. If someone didn't like the bag means they will tell no, this bag is ugly. So that is their opinion. So their opinion won't bother mine, likewise my opinion won't bother them. So their opinion changes from person to person. For example, I think the bag is very bright and colorful. It is very pretty. Okay, it's bright, pretty, colorful is adjectives. Okay, so in today's class we learned adjectives. What is adjectives? How in which places we can use adjectives, and what are the basic two kinds of adjectives with the examples. Okay, so adjectives, what is the adjective? Yeah, adjectives are the words that describe a noun or a pronoun. What is the noun? Noun is a naming word. Name of a person, place, animal, thing, achievement, emotions, etc. Okay, for example, Ram is a name of a person, dog is a name of an animal, and pencil is a name of a thing. Okay, likewise. So what is my pronoun? Is pronoun is a word which replaces a noun. For male we will use he as a pronoun, and for a girl we will use she as a pronoun. So next is adjectives can be used in various places like kinds. Okay, it also tries to adjectives also answer such questions like what kind, which one, how many, likewise. Okay, so adjectives also tells how many, what kind, likewise. Adjectives can be used to describe color of the object, that is color of the noun. Blue, example, blue, red, green, black. Okay, then age, example, old, young, shape, example, round, oval, round, oval, cube. Likewise, opinion, good, pretty, bright, happy. Then size, example, big, small, long, short. Okay? Distance, long, short, near, far. Then temperature, cold, warm, hot, cool. Then time, late, early. Okay, next is two kinds of adjectives, two basic kinds of adjectives, that is factual adjectives and opinion adjectives. So factual adjectives means they tell us facts about the nouns such as its color, shape, size, origin, age, quantity. They remain the same irrespective of what the reader thinks. Example, black, blue, circle, oval, old, young. Okay, here black is color, blue is also a color, circle is a shape, oval is a shape, old and young are age. Okay, this is a multicolor bag. It have two straps. These are facts. So facts won't be changed from person to person. It is already fixed one. So next is opinions. Opinion means they tell us opinions about the noun. They describe what one thinks about something or someone. These may be different for different people. So opinion differ from person to person. Example, I think the bag is very bright and colorful. It is pretty. Okay, this is completely one person's opinion, not others. Okay, so one person's opinion doesn't bother the others. Okay, example, bright, colorful, pretty are adjectives. Okay, so in today's class we learn adjectives, where in which places you can use adjectives, and what are the basic forms of adjectives, that is color, size, a shape, temperature, opinions, distance. Likewise, then basic two kinds of adjectives, is factual adjectives and opinion adjectives. Okay, with examples. In our next class we can see adjectives and degrees of comparison. It's a very important topic. Okay, in next class we can see degrees of comparison and their rules. Okay, so I hope you understand today's topic. Thank you, children.